Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Akondiola Komi Joshua, and I'm going to be our instructor for this morning's MMR. All right. So for me to know you can hear me, please kindly drop a wave, or you drop a chat on the chat platform, so I'll know you can hear me clearly. If you're together with me, please. If you can hear me, please kindly drop a symbol, an emoji of you waving, or you just drop a chat and say hello on the chat so I'll know you can hear me clearly. I'm with you, please. Okay. All right, I can see Moji saying good morning. Chinedu Osaji saying good morning, sir. Okay, you too. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to Moji. Good morning to Chinedu Osaji. Right, I can see on the chat, I can see that we are not much. We still have about 10 participants just with us. So I would like us to give us, I would like to give us just some few minutes, let's say like, let's give some 3 minutes more, 3 minutes more, or at most maybe 5 minutes. So by 8:05, we should kick up fully. So please, let's just kindly hold on. Let's give our other friends from within or outside the country to kindly join us before we kick off. So go with everybody together. But if you can hear me, please drop an emoji, just drop a chat so I'll know you can hear me clearly. All right. So by 8:05, we're going to kick off fully. Let's give other participants the opportunity to join us before we kick off. Thank you. All right. Good morning once again, everybody. Like I introduced myself, I said my name is Akondiola Komi Joshua, and I'm going to be our instructor for this morning's MMR. So yes, let's look at what happened yesterday, and today we'll be able to also look at the chart and know where the market is most likely going towards, you understand, either up or down on the chart, and be able to make do of some of these opportunities. And on the chart, hopefully we'll be able to look at some of these instruments, be it indices, currencies, and commodities, and we'll try to do the analysis the best way we can to know what exactly is going to be happening on the chart. But first thing first, let's look at yesterday. So I'll be sharing my screen. I believe you all can see my screen. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. So we'll see some certain things, then we'll talk about what happened. So yesterday in the morning, we had news coming out on euros, GBP in the morning. Then we also had USD in the afternoon, around 2:45, you understand? And we'll look at it. If you look at it from 8:15 a.m. in the morning, the news that came out negative, and the market expected it 8:30, came out good. Now the news for 9 a.m. did not really move, but 9:30 GBP also came out negative. And you discover, if you look at the chart, this market, the market chart expected it. There was a move on it. It all moved well. 2:45. The news on USD came out neutral, but there was a little reaction on that, and it moved later. You understand? So that's based on fundamental, based on news. And for today, what I was seeing, the only volatile news that is coming out for today is on Canadian dollar at 1:30 p.m. And there's another news that is coming even on USD. It's a medium impact news. And yes, over time, I've checked it. I've traded some of these news, and I've seen that this particular one moves. You understand? When we talk about the Canadian dollar, we call retail sales and retail sales. It talks about the sales, retail sales, on the sales on retail level. You understand? If you look at it here, it's saying that this particular one on core retail sales, automobile sales account for 20% of retail sales, but tend to be very volatile and distort the underlying trend. The core data is therefore thought to be better gauge for spending trends, while the other one that has to do with retail sales says it is the primary gauge for consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of overall economic activities. Yes, it moves the market too. It also moves the market. So hopefully by 1:30, we should try and look at this. We could trade it on our own, just try and see what we can do on it. If it comes out positive, that's green, we buy, red, we sell. So you could pair it as USD CAD JPY, etc. Okay. So let's look at the chart and see how the market is moving this morning. Then we'll know how to trade it, whether to buy, to sell, or to stay off the grid, pending the time the market will move well. Okay. So yes, starting this morning I'll be starting with Euro USD. Euro USD. So after that, I'll also give us the opportunity for us to call the instrument you want us to look at, analyze it, check it, and know where it's most likely going to move towards. You understand? So yes, I remember last week while we were discussing, we talked about Euro USD, USD CAD, and the likes. Now, Euro USD, starting with Euro USD this morning, you discover that it has already given us the full pattern of letter M. And as at yesterday, the market ended bullish. You understand? It ended bullish. So hopefully, now today it's the Friday, which happens to be end of the week, you understand? And the market has already started moving, and we could see that the market is currently showing us a bearish movement as of this morning, showing us a bearish movement. Well, because it's the end of the week, market might be trying to round up and everything. Even if the market is going to sell, I don't expect it to go below this particular zone. That's the support zone that is here. It's a strong zone. And we discovered that, yes, price actually respected that zone. That was what I brought about the buying. It has bought, and that was why price was bullish yesterday. And this morning is just showing a little reversal, a pullback. So it's expected, no problem. If price is going to go down, maybe for the day, I'm not expecting it to go below this zone. You understand? I'm not expecting it to go below this zone. After which, if it closes bearish, next week, I'm expecting it full pullback, a strong buy. I'm expecting the market to buy. Although, yes, we know for some days now, we've seen that dollars has been strong, you understand? But with what it is now, I'm expecting that if price should go down to that particular zone, by Monday, hopefully Monday, there should be a strong pullback. You should start buying. There should be a strong buy. If not, even today, we can still allow it and see. If we've not gotten to the end of the day. So yes, there could be a reversal movement and continues to buy, understand? The continuation of the buy from yesterday. So on Euro USD, I will kindly advise, if you look at it from my daily chart, which I'm showing to us now, price has actually fulfilled the full pattern. So we're expecting price to buy. And if it does not buy, there could be a little movement there, which is the market could range, you understand? And we all know that for a ranging market, it's a correction zone, you understand? Whenever the market is ranging, it's a correction zone. So all we just need to do is to map out that zone where it's ranging, then we expect it to either buy or sell. But let's look at for it today. Hopefully, the market will respect the pattern it has given to us. Yes. So that is that on Euro USD. So what I'm going to be doing now is this. I would like us to drop the instrument you want us to look at, you understand, on currencies, indices, and commodity. We'll look at it, then we'll move from there, just like we did last week. So yes, I'll be expecting first instrument. Who is dropping the first instrument for us? Who is dropping the first instrument? I'm waiting. Okay, Mr. Adeyemi Olalekan said USD JPY. USD JPY. All right. USD JPY it is. We're starting with USD JPY. I can also see Moji saying GBP USD. Okay, from USD JPY, we'll move to GBP USD. So let's start. USD JPY. I'm with us. USD JPY. Okay. USD JPY. I'm on it. We're all together. USD JPY. Okay. All right. USD JPY. Now, we discover that USD has actually been a little bit strong, has been strong, yes, just like I say. Looking at it from on my daily time frame now, you discover that for a while, dollars has been pushing up, it's been buying, and currently it has gotten to a particular zone here. You understand? And because it's at this zone, I will kindly advise that you hold on. If price is able to break above this current zone successfully, if price breaks above this zone successfully, you understand, you can go for a buy. You can go for a buy because this particular zone here is a resistance. So if price is able to break above that zone successfully, you can go for a buy. If not, if it rejects there, then there could be a pullback and it starts selling again. And if it's selling, it's coming down. So let's hold on a little bit. Price is not giving us any information as of now. So we should hold on. If you look at it, even on your 1 hour time frame, what's it saying? It's not giving you a clear cut. Currently, it's even ranging between these two zones. If you look at it, there's a range. The market is ranging from here, from this particular point coming. Let me show us. Okay. Yeah, if you look at it currently, it's ranging just between this particular point here. It's not giving you any clear movement. Price has actually been expecting it from just this little point here. It's not going above, it's not going below, you understand? It's been ranging. So allow it to give you a clear movement. Let it give you a clear cut. Let it go either up or down. And from what is showing on 1 hour time frame, you can see a little pullback down. It's coming back down. So let's hold on for it. There could still be a bearish movement, a strong bearish movement coming in. You understand? So looking at the way it is, I am also expecting dollars to come down to sell. But before we can sell, let's hold on. Let it give us a clear move first. You understand? But if the reverse is the case, it doesn't happen, it continues moving up, then we can join for a buy. USD JPY. That's it on it. On our daily time frame, you look at it, it's trying to, there's a little pullback because there's a zone there, you understand? It's holding, price is not moving the way we're expecting it to move because of that zone. It's trying to respect the zone, you understand? We all know that, yes, currencies actually respect zones more. So let's hold on for it to break above this particular zone. If it's able to break above it successfully, we can go for buy. But if it doesn't, then it will go back down. There's going to be a pullback, a reversal, so we can now follow the direction. Okay, so the next one is GBP USD. GBP USD. All right, GBP USD. I'm with us. GBP USD. Still with us. GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD. I'm on GBP USD now. All right, GBP USD. Let's look at it from my daily time frame. Let's see the direction of the market on the daily time frame. Okay, looking at GBP USD, you also discover that currently GBP has also been selling for some time now. It's been coming down, although yesterday it got to this particular zone and there was a little pullback. Now this morning is coming in as it's starting up as a bearish movement. Starting up as a bearish movement. But if we look at it from the trend on the daily time frame, for a while now, it's been going up, but it got to a particular zone at the top and it's now coming down. Where it is a zone. Where it is a zone. Even though it's trying to give it was trying to give us a pattern here, but we could see a bullish harami. This particular bullish candle, the candle 1 on your daily time frame, is inside the candle 2. You understand? The whole creation and everything is inside candle 2. But price as of this morning, what price is giving to us is a bearish movement. You understand? The candle that is forming currently is bearish. But let's hold on and see, because it's still not end of the day. If it goes bullish, then price is going to buy. You understand? If it goes bullish, price is going to buy. But not until then. We need to hold on for this candle to verify. This is on the daily time frame. You understand? And just like I said, because today is a Friday, the market might not really move the way we expect it to move. It might be a little bit choppy because the market is about to close to read the retail traders on Fridays. You understand? It closes for us on Fridays like this. But on Monday, there could be a strong movement. You understand? A strong move in the market. But let's just wait out for it. If the little we can get there, we can move back. So we can make out of it. You understand? So from what is showing here, the bullish harami on the forming candle, let's hold on and see if it moves bullish and it closes bullish. Yes, we can go for a buy. You understand? We can go for a buy in that situation. But if it doesn't happen like that, we need to wait. We need to wait. And that's that for the GBP USD. Okay, so on the chart again, who else? Let's see the next one after GBP USD coming on with us. Okay, Mr. Emmanuel Mills says US 100, US 100. Okay, US 100. Okay, I'm with you. Checking you. Let's bring it out. US 100, US 100. Let's see. Still with us, US 100. US 100. I'm still with us. Okay, US 100. You know, US 100 is an indices instrument. You understand? It's an index instrument and has to do with more of tech. You understand? Tech companies. Bam. You look at it. On my 1 hour time frame, where indices is resting now is a zone on its own. You need to hold on. It's at a resistance. Wait for it to break it. But we all know for indices, what do we normally look out for? We look out for a buy entry. We look out for a buy entry, a little pullback or sell. And if there's any news, we already know that the news will cause an abnormal movement. But after that, we expect price to recover the whole thing on indices. So currently, price is at a resistance and price has been respecting that resistance. This is on my 1 hour time frame, but looking at it on daily time frame, let's see the move. You see, price currently has reversed back to this point and it's still close to a resistance at the top here. We're expecting price to still, it could be choppy a little bit around this point, but if price is able to break out here, above this point here, it should go up. You understand? We're expecting, for one, I'm expecting price to go up on US 100. I'm expecting it to go up. You understand? I'm expecting it to go up. So let's watch out and see. It should go up. It should go up. You understand? So just wait out for it to break out from this particular zone and we'll see. It's going to move up. It's going to move up. Even based on the trend we've been seeing, it's been more of an upward trend, an upward push. You understand? From what we're seeing, it's an upward push. So we're expecting price to go here, to go up. So just hold on for it to break out of this region. Then you can go for your buy. But if it doesn't happen like that, then we'll hold on for when price is actually volatile and there's a movement, we can so take a little move with that, either buy or sell. You understand? But yesterday, from what it looked like, price ended bearish on the daily time. No, sorry, ended bullish, you understand, on the daily time frame. Yesterday, ended bullish, you understand? So, fine, we're still expecting, I'm expecting price to still go up on US 100. I'm expecting price to go up. That's on US 100. I'm expecting price to go up. That's my own opinion. Understand? Gold. Okay, so let's look out for gold. Let's look out for gold. On gold, you see, gold is more of an economic instrument. It reacts more to economic issues. You understand? It reacts more to economic issues. And I would like us to understand this. The war, the tension between Israel and Iran. You understand? Currently, I was reading some certain things about Israel and Iran. It was saying that currently they don't know the intention of Netanyahu. They don't know how he wants to strike back. Maybe he's going to strike back now or not. They don't even know his intention, the strategy he's taking. But the real truth is this: if Israel should respond to Iran, respond by firing back their own missiles, you understand? Maybe going after their oil well, or their oil well, there's going to be a reaction. Most investors will pull out their funds and they'll dump it, they'll invest it in gold. And once that happens, we expect price of gold to go up. Last week, just like I was saying, I said I expect gold to move up. I expect gold to go up. I'm expecting gold to get up to 3,000. From last week till today, you discover that price has actually gone up. I'm still expecting gold to go up, except if there's a peace treaty between these two. Then we can see that there will be a little there will be an ease on the movement of gold. There will be ease on the movement of gold. But if that is not the case, we're expecting gold to move up. It will move up so strong, you understand? If there's a response from Israel to Iran, you understand? Most especially if they attack their refineries or their oil well, you understand? It's going to really, really affect, and investors will pull out their funds to invest in gold. And we all know that gold is a safe haven, you understand? People will pull out their money from the oil. Investors will pull out their money from oil because they know they need to get the value of what they have from where they've invested into. And where would they invest it to? They'll put it into gold, because gold is going to give them their money. Currently, it has gone to another high, and we can see that price is still holding up from the way it is. So I'll just advise we need to be careful a little bit. But yes, on gold, we are still expecting it to push up. Even if it goes bearish, it's just for a little while. After that, it moves up. You understand? Gold reacts to economic issues. And if you look at it on the daily time frame, how has the trend been? The trend has been more bullish. In fact, it has been bullish. It has been giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You understand? It has gotten to a particular high now. It's just trying to do a little pullback. So move up. So yes, that's that for gold, you understand? Gold, I'm expecting it to still buy, you understand? So I won't advise us to enter a sell now. Okay, so that is that on gold. That is that on gold. Okay, with us. Mr. Adeyemi Olalekan says we should look at oil. Yes, let's look at oil. Let's look at oil. Okay. So looking at oils now on the daily time frame. As of yesterday, it was bearish. This morning, it has opened again, it has started, and it's still bearish. And from what I'm seeing, price is actually between two zones here. Price is yet to break above any of these, to go above this zone. You understand? It's still here. And price has respected this part too. It's respected this part. And if we look at it from this point to this point, there's been a little trend of it trying to push up. This is on my daily time frame. It's trying to push up. So if price is able to respect it, yes, it should move up. Now, if there's reactions, if there's going to be war between Israel and Iran, too, you understand, we should also expect a reaction on oil. So these two instruments, I'll just tell us to kindly hold up on it. We should hold up and check on it. We should fold our hands and just try to look at it. There should be a reaction on them. There should be a reaction on them. As far as there's if there's a war between Israel and Iran today, there's a strike back from Israel on Iran, you understand, there would be a reaction. But if that is not the case, expecting oil to drop. If that is not the case, if it does not happen like that, oil can still drop down for a while before now pushing back up. But currently, the way it's not giving us a clear cut, a clear movement, you understand? But expectedly, if it should move, I'm expecting it, because currently now it's staying in between. There's a zone around this point, you understand? There's a zone around this point. Let's see. Look at where price is resting. If you look at it, can you see, just like I said, there's a zone. This is a demand zone, a support zone, I mean. There's a support zone here. You understand? It's expecting price. So if price is able to break below this particular zone, we can go for a sell. If it breaks below this particular zone here, this particular zone we're seeing now, this is on my 1 hour time frame. It's able to break below this zone successfully, we can go for an instant sell if it's able to go below it. But if it does not break below it, then let's hold on. You understand? But as far as it goes below this zone, this particular zone where price is, if it's able to close below it, you understand? Let's say around this region, if price is able to go below this point, you understand? We can go for a sell. If it closes below this region, we can go for a sell. But if that does not happen, please, we need to hold on. Don't rush into it. Okay, that's that for oil. That's that for oil. Okay. Okay, Dorothy Okoje is saying we should look out for DE40. Okay, let's check out DE40. That's the German instrument, DE40. All right, I'm with you. Checking it out, DE40. 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 Okay, we are there. DE40. Okay, seen it. Stay with us, DE40. Okay. All right. Looking at DE40, look at the trend. It's been more of an upward trend. At a point, price ranged. This is on my daily time frame. At a point, price ranged, and after that, there was a strong movement back up, and it has been pushing up since then. But as of yesterday, it ended bullish. This morning now is starting with a bearish movement. It got to a particular zone here. Yeah, there was a resistance here that pushed it back, and since then, price respected it. It gave us the 3 white soldiers, you understand, for like 3 days, and the next thing is bullish, you understand. But the way it is, if price is able to close below this point, we're expecting it to sell. I'm expecting it to come down, a little pullback, you understand, a little, after which is expected to drive. Just like I told us on before now, I said on indices, we expect price to move up. You understand? We're expecting more of a buy trend. So if you look at it, if you do a back test of the chart, you even discover that price has actually been moving to the upward side on indices. So yes, on this, we're expecting price to what? To move up, just a little pullback. So if you're able to see that point of the pullback, you can go for the little sell. After that, you go out, or you wait for the buy move, then join the buy, join the trade in what? In buying, the traders in what? In buying. That's that for DE40 on the daily time frame. You understand, we're expecting it to buy. But if you're looking at it from your 1 hour time frame, on your candle one is a doji. You understand? On candle one, it's a doji. And when you look at it on the 1 hour time frame on doji could be indecision. It could be an indecision or a continuation of trend. And before now, look at it. There was this particular candle that ended on candle 2, it ended bearish, even though that bearish was not giving a clear information. So yes, now with the forming candle bearish, before now it started bearish and it's been coming down. Now candle 1 is more of doji. So with what he's saying, E, which is continuation, and the forming candle now is now bearish. If that man should close bearish, we should expect it to sell. Just like I said earlier on, we can expect it to sell. So we can join for the sell, can join the sell once that closes bearish. If this particular candle that is forming closes bearish, we can go for the little sell, after which we take the little proceed we make from there, because it's expected that price will go up on DE40. 40 is expected to buy, you understand? But for now, we're expecting a little pullback, a little sell. Yes. That's that on DE40. Okay. Okay. Kele is saying, please, USD JPY and USD CAD. I've talked about USD JPY. And okay, so let's look out for USD CAD. Let's look out for the USD CAD. But if there's still time, I can still go back on USD JPY for me. There's still time if there's no other instrument. But yes, if you have any other instrument you want us to look at, please kindly drop it on the chat. But let's look out for USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. Looking at it, it has given us the full pattern of the blue letter W. And because that's giving us that pattern, just like I said so last week, we're expecting price to come down. Yes, we're expecting price to come down. And you look at it now, as of this morning, is already showing the bearish move for USD CAD. That bearish candle is already forming, is already starting. And if possibly it ends bearish this week, we expected that Monday there should be a strong move on the bearish movement. Continues the sell, you understand? It needs to pull back, recover for this whole thing, and it's going to be a strong move, you understand? So we just need to watch out for USD CAD. We're expecting a sell, but pending that, please kindly note, there's a news coming up on Canadian dollars today and also the USD by 130. So news, there could be a reaction on that. And we all know that news is another strong man that moves the market on its own, you understand? So by 130, we could look out for that opportunity. It could give out a different thing before it now respects the market move technically. You understand? And we all know that fundamentals is a no respecter of any zone. It does not respect any zone like that. You understand? So it does its own, after which it now decides to move the normal way it will move. So let's just watch out for it. Let's watch out for it. Because looking at it this morning, price is a little bit choppy. It's not giving any strong move. You understand? That's the way it is on what I'm seeing on the daily time frame. You understand? But it's expected that price should fall. It's expected that price should sell from what I'm saying. Okay? That's that on USD CAD. Okay? Vivian is saying, good morning, sir. Please, Euro USD. Yes, I've talked about Euro USD. I did that. It was Euro USD I started with, then USD JPY. Okay. Let's just do a little brush on it. Or I'll do Euro USD, USD JPY. Okay, Euro USD, USD JPY. But let's look at the USD JPY. Just like I said, USD JPY is at a zone. You understand? It's at a zone. And I'm expecting that if price is able to break this zone, this is on my daily time frame, if price is able to break this particular zone, this resistance that is here, is able to break it, then we're expecting price to what? To move up, to go. But if that does not happen, it should sell. It should what? It should sell. You understand? So as far as price is unable to break this man here, I'm expecting price to what? To sell. That's that for USD JPY. Then for Euro USD, okay? For Euro USD, I'm coming on with us, Euro USD. Still with us. Okay. Okay. Euro USD. All right. Euro USD, just like I said, daily time frame, we're expecting it to buy. We're expecting it to buy. Remember when the candle started forming, this is on my daily time frame. You can see it from what is showing on this chart here. Yesterday, it ended bullish. So strong, it ended bullish. This morning, it started and it's been giving the bearish move. But, it's not the end of the day yet. You understand? It's not the end of the day yet. It will still go up. And yes, maybe around 130, because there's going to be news on USD. It could be a little push on it, either to the upside or to the bearish side. But yes, we're expecting it to pull up. And I'm also expecting price to respect this zone, even if it doesn't go up, you understand? Because this zone where it is a strong zone. And with the pattern it has given to us, you understand? I'm expecting it to buy, you understand? I'm expecting it to buy. Although on one of my accounts, my trading account, I'm currently on the buy on it, is a dollar account. You understand? It's the dollar account. I'm only buy on it, and I'm on profit, you understand? Yes, if you want to be a long-term trader, you can do that if you have a good sum in your account. But if you don't have a good sum, just hold on, wait for it to give you that clear cut that it's beginning to buy, then you join the train in buying. You understand? But if not that, kindly wait. You understand? Okay, Mr. Ekpemsky is saying we should look out for US 30, US 30. Okay, so let's go out and look out for, let's check out for US 30. Now, US 30 is one of those indices that is mild. I love it. It's mild. It's not as aggressive as US 100 or US 2000. So let's look out for it. Let's check it. It's one of those, it's an indices instrument anyway, too. It's also volatile in its own way. So US 30, US 30. Okay, in this chart now, let's see. US 30. Okay, so on my 1 hour time frame now, looking at what price is doing, you discover that price is ranging. On my 1 hour time frame, price is ranging a little. It's ranging. And we all know that when price is ranging, remember I said it earlier on, I said on a ranging market, ranging zones are known as correction zones. Ranging zones are known as correction zones. So all we just need to do is to what? Hold on for price to break out of that zone. If price is able to break out of that zone, then we follow the direction it goes. If it goes up, we follow it up. If it goes down, we follow it down. That's just it. It's ranging. Price is currently ranging. Price is ranging. So you look out for the direction it's going to follow. You understand? So looking at it from here, price has actually been respecting these two zones. You understand? It's been respecting this zone. So we're expecting price to break out, just like I'm betting in that if he's able to break out of this zone successfully, either to the upside or downward side, then you follow the direction. That is on my 1 hour time frame. But let's look at it on the daily time frame. Can you see? Look at where price is currently. It has given the 3 white soldiers on daily time frame, 1, then followed by, it's almost looking like a hammer, but I won't say it's a hammer because the wick on this upside is much, you understand? So let's look out and see. If it's able to break below successfully, then it should sell. In fact, from the information, the 3 white soldiers we've seen for the 3 days, it should sell from that information, you understand? We expect it to sell, but you know, the market can be so funny at times, you understand? And from what it is now, it's not giving us any clear information. It could just let's hold on for it. If it breaks out, goes up, we buy. If it's down, we sell. That is on that this thing, because currently price is at a support where it is now. There's a support zone around where it is here. So that zone is what is affecting it now, not allowing price to go down, trying to push it back to the upside, you understand? I remember on indices, like we all know, it's a buying instrument more. It's more of a buying instrument on indices. So we should expect price to buy. But if that is not the case, it could pull back and sell, you understand? So let's just hold on it. But for the 1 hour time frame, because it's just ranging, so we can just hold on and see if price is able to break out of this zone successfully, we should expect price to what? Buy. That's for US 30. We should expect price to buy. Okay. All right, amateurs. Which other instrument do you want us to look out for? Please, let's drop it on the chart so that we can look out on it and analyze it. Analyze it together. Okay. I've done currencies, analyze some instruments on currencies, even on commodities and indices. So which other instrument do we want us to look at? Yes, I'm expecting us to drop it on the chart. Let's look at it. I'm still waiting for us. Yes. Any other instrument? Any other instrument? I'm still with us. With us. Okay. Who is dropping the instrument? Let's know. Let's know. Okay, I can see it's saying 2 participants, they are raising up their hand. Raising up their hand. Who is that? X-Pound7 and Eugene's. Okay, please go to the chart. Just drop something. Let me see. Drop something. Drop a chart. What exactly do you need me to help you and look at? What exactly do you want us to look at? Please drop it on the chat. Let's know. I'm with you. You're raising your hand. Yes. Say hello from this side. I'm saying hello from my own side here too. But what exactly do you want us? Which instrument do you want us to look at? Please drop it. Okay. Mr. Ekpemsi is saying we should look out for AUD USD, Australian dollar USD. Right. AUD USD. Let's check it out. Let's look out for it. AUD USD. Okay. AUD/USD. Okay. Still with us, AUD/USD. AUD/USD. Okay, so on my 1 hour time frame, from what I'm seeing, price has gotten to a support. In fact, it's on a support zone, and price is actually trying to respect that zone from what we're saying. If you look at it based on the pattern, it's more of like letter U upside down, a curve, you understand, coming up, and we're expecting it to buy with that pattern. That is on my 1 hour time frame. I'm expecting price to buy, and price is actually respecting that zone from what we're saying this morning. Is pushing back up, even though it's a little bit choppy, understand? You understand the number of people trading now currently around the world, they're a little bit mind. So the volatility is not there, but yes, it's buying. But let's look at it on the daily time frame. Look at it. Price has actually dropped and got to this particular zone, and this support zone here, price is respecting it. Is yet to go below that zone. So this is it. If price is able to, on the daily time frame, as far as price is yet to break that zone, it might not go down. But if price breaks below that zone successfully, bam, it's going to sell. It's going to sell. But as far as that does not happen, we're expecting it to what? To push back. And that's what we're saying on the daily time, on the 1 hour time frame. You know, this is for a short time, you understand? So even as it is now, the buying is not strong, and you can see that there's no strong movement, you understand? So let's just wait out for it. If you look at it on a clear zone, let's look at it on daily time frame. Daily time frame helps you to know the trend, you understand? You understand? The daily time frame helps you to know the trend, to know what the market is actually doing, the trend of the market. And remember, we told you, the trend should be your friend, not your enemy. So you go with the trend. Don't ever trade against the trend. Because if you trade against the trend, you have yourself to blame, you understand? So rather than that, you let the trend be your friend. And also in technicals, be patient. The patient dog eats the fattest bone when it comes to technicals. That's what I tell clients, you understand? I tell us that. So please hold on for this. As far as price is not able to break below this demand zone, it's going to buy. Yes, that's it. It's going to buy. But if it's able to break below it successfully, it closes below it, then price will what? Will sell. So what are we going to do? We have to wait. Let's wait for price to give us a clear cut. Yes, that's giving us a bearish movement on the daily time frame, but it's now at a zone, so we hold on for it. Thank you. Okay, so we'll move. Okay, I can see Eugene saying we should look out for gold. We should check gold again. Okay, check gold. Okay. All right. So Eugene, yes, actually I've discussed on gold, but I'm still going to go back there. I'll go back there. Let's just do some little talk on it. Remember, just like I said gold is an economic instrument. Gold is an economic instrument. It reacts more to economic issues. And that was where I talked about Israel and Iran. I said currently, due to the fact that nobody knows what Netanyahu, the prime minister of Israel, is about to do. Nobody knows his mind. Nobody knows whether he's going to strike, where he's going to strike Iran. You understand how he's going to do it. Because of that, fine, the tension is there. You understand? So investors in oil will also likely do what? Likely pull out their funds and invest more in gold, because gold is a safe haven. And if you look at gold, gold is an instrument of, it's more of an upward instrument. Remember, as just as we said, a safe haven. You want to pull out, if you're pulling out your money from one business, you want to also put it in a business that you know has the same capacity as the one you're pulling your money out of, or has more. And if you look at it, which instrument has that strength? Gold, you understand? Gold has that strength, you understand? So if you're looking at it, I'm expecting gold to go what? To go for a buy. Just like I said last week, I'm expecting gold to get to 3,000. And from last week to this week, you discover that gold has actually moved up a little. You understand? Last week Friday, this week Friday, if you look at it, if you just check it from last week Friday to this week Friday, you discover that price has actually gone up. You understand? It's now at a new high. So the pullback you're seeing is just a little. I'm still expecting gold to what? To buy. I'm still expecting it to buy, you understand? For aggressive traders, they might decide to like, okay, because I'm expecting it to buy, you can go for your buy and just leave it like that. But rather than do that, hold on, because we're not sure of what is happening, the tension. So just look at for it, let it give you a clear position before you go for your buy, you understand? I can see Precious he'll say, Grace, please don't mind me if I'm not doing your name, I'm sorry, but if you're raising up your hand, please kindly drop a chat. Let me see, the chat section box is open. EPMC is saying we should look out for GBP USD, okay? GBP USD. Mr. Precious or Miss Precious, please kindly drop a chat so we'll look at it, we'll know what is on. And that's done with gold, so let's look out for GBP USD, okay? On my daily time frame on GBP USD, we discovered that price got to a particular zone. And when it got there, there was a rejection, you understand? That was what parted this bullish candle for yesterday on the daily time frame, you understand? And it got to a zone and the rejection, bam, it respects that rejection and it's going. And as of this morning too, you can see it. I'm expecting price to, the way it is currently on that particular zone. If price is able to break above it successfully, it should buy. It should buy, you understand? Because if you look at it based on previous information, that is the price has been coming, I got to this particular high here, if you can see my cursor, and since then, it respected that zone and came down, you understand? So got to this zone now, and it's trying to push back up, they pull back up, you understand? So let's hold on and see. All we need to do is this, in terms of trading this global market technically, you need a verification candle, you understand? You need to verify it. If it's going up, let it push above that particular point clearly, then you can join. But if you're not seeing any clear cuts, please don't move, don't enter any trade. But once you have that clear cut, you can what? Take that bull step, buy. You understand? So from what we're saying, if price continues to go up and it closes on the bullish side on the daily time frame, yes, you can go for your buy. And on the 1 hour time frame, you can also see, just like I said, there's a zone here, you understand? There's a zone here, resistance zone around this point. So just hold on for it. If price is able to break above that zone successfully, then you can take that bull step to buy. Okay. Okay, you said I can see, okay. Neck is raising up her hand. So please, if you're raising up your hand, kindly drop a chart. Kindly drop a chart so I'll know what is there. Precious is also saying Precious too. So please drop a chart. Let's know what's it. Let's know the instrument you want me to check for you. Yes, I'm still with us. And from what we're saying now, we just have about 11 minutes, you understand? So please drop a chart, you understand? Drop a chart. Which instrument do you want us to look at? Which instrument, you understand? Which instrument do you want me to look at? Which instrument do you want us to look at? Let's talk about it, okay? Kenny is also raising up a hand here. So please go to the chat section, drop your chart so I will know what exactly you want me to look at. If you have a question there too, you can also drop it. If you have a question, please kindly drop it. Let's see. Let's look at it. Okay. I'm waiting for the, okay, somebody's saying US 2000. Okay. AY is saying oil. SS is saying US 2000. For oil, just like I said, remember I told us that oil is an economic instrument too. You understand? And just like we said, because of the war that is brewing in or the tension that is currently between Israel and Iran, the price might be somehow in movement. And looking at it, even on 1 hour time frame as of now, it's showing a bearish move. You understand? And it's coming down on the forming candle. You understand? And daily time frame too, it's in between. Remember I said price is ranging between these two zones. So if price is ranging between these two zones, one of the things you need to look out for is this. We have the internal support and resistance. So between these two zones that I'm showing us on the daily time frame, that price is ranging, you can just look at it now. From what is showing, price is coming down. So if you want to go for it now, you can go for an instant sell. But once you make your little proceed out of it, you leave. You understand? You could go for an instant sale on oil. Yes, you could go for an instant sale, but mind you, it's just a few minutes to ending of this particular candle. So I would advise you hold on. If you don't want to be an aggressive trader, you understand? But if you want to be an aggressive trader just like me, you can just go 0.01. Don't go more than that, you understand? 0.01. And if you're having that, once you have your little proceeds out of it, you take it out. You understand? I'm expecting the price to come down. You understand? I'm expecting it to come down to around this zone before anything. So yes, oil, sell. From what I'm saying now, sell is it on oil. You can sell on oil. You can click on sell 0.01. And once you make a little profit out of it, you leave. Please do not stay. Do not stay long. Thank you. That's that for oil. Which other one? Okay, with us, US 2000, US 2000, US 2000, with us. Okay, US 2000 on my 1 hour time frame. On my 1 hour time frame, looking at it, you discover that based on the trend we're seeing from this part now, let me draw it up from this part. Okay, what we're seeing. This is on my 1 hour time frame. If you look at it, price has been moving up, you understand, based on what you're saying. It's been moving up based on this trend, you understand. But let's look at it on the daily time frame. And remember, just like I told us, indices is more of a buying instrument, you understand. On my daily time frame, can you see? Even the trend I drew on the daily time frame has been more bullish. Price has been respecting that particular trend for a while now. So from what we're seeing here, we're still expecting price to push up on US 2000. I'm still expecting it to push up on US 2000. You understand? Based on the trend. But you can still hold on. But yes, from what I said, my opinion, price is going up on US 2000. I'm expecting price to push up on US 2000. It has dropped to a particular zone on the daily time frame and it's expected to pull up. So US 2000, I'm expecting it to buy. I'm expecting US 2000 to buy. I'm not expecting it to be where it is. I'm expecting it to buy. And based on this zone that it is, I'm expecting it to break above this zone and it should move up, you understand? And please kindly note, your zones on the daily time frame is stronger than that of the lower time frames. But yes, that does not mean we should disrespect those zones too. They all have their own say. I'm expecting it to go up. So if you're unable to go now because of the little zone you're saying, you can hold on for it to break above that zone. Then you do what? You go for your buy. You can go for your buy, you understand, on that. Once it breaks above the zone, you can go for your buy. That's that on US 2000, okay? Okay. Which other instrument? We just have some 7 minutes more before we call it a day. You understand? Have some 7 minutes more before we call it a day. And looking at oil, just like I said, I'm expecting it to drop. So if it closes below this particular zone, once you see it closing below this zone, you understand, on this particular candle, you can go for yourself instant once you see it closing below it. But for those that have entered the sell when I told them to enter, I believe they should be in profit now. They should be in profit now. For those that have entered the sell, when I told them that it was coming down, you understand that they can go for sale. They should be in profit now. Please, if you're in any little profit, whether 1,000, 2,000, depending on the lot size you use, you can close it. Yes, that's that. Okay. Which other instrument are we to look at? Yes, I'm still with us. Which other instrument? We just have some 6 minutes more before we call it a day. 6 minutes more. 6 minutes more. Within that 6 minutes, we can still do 1 or 2 instruments. Then we'll call it a day. I'm still with us. I'm still with us. Still with us. Okay. I'm waiting. Yes. 3 participants raising up their hand. John Atta, Kenny. Yes, please kindly go to the chat. Drop a chart for me so I can see it. Drop a chart for me so I can see it. Then I'll know what exactly you want me to look at. Let me know. Please drop me a chart. That's the best way I can see. I can respond to it. Okay, I can see somebody has dropped a chart. Who's that? Who is that? AY, can we buy or sell gold now? Can we buy or sell gold now? I already responded to this, Mr. AY. Mr. AY, as of now, looking at it on the daily time frame, look at where price is. Price currently is at a zone, a resistance zone, and price is pulling back. You understand? Okay, on my 1 hour, looking at what it is, price is respecting this zone. You understand? Even if you're going for a sell, it's not going to be for long. That's what I'm saying. It's not going to be for long. So rather than going for sale, why not wait out? Wait out for a buy position. Then go for the buy. Because just like I said, the tension between Israel and Iran is on the high side, you understand? And investors will still want to push pull more of their money, invest in gold because they don't want to lose. So they will pull out their money from oil. The investors, they will pull out their money from oil and put it in gold. Gold is a safe haven, you understand? Yes, currently what I'm seeing on my 1 hour candle, the candle zero lights for me, it's been bearish and it's moving down. So hold on and see. If it goes below this zone successfully and closes, you can go for your sell and you hold on for it to get to the next zone. Or once it's getting close to it, you can close in your profit. You can go for a sell. But the sell is just a short movement. You understand? It's just a short movement. I won't advise you go for something that is not going to be long. You understand? It's just a short movement. So rather than do that, why not hold on for it to what? To start buying, to give you the buy position, then you go for your buy. That's it, Mr. AY. I'm not advising that you go for a sell now. But if you want to sell, it's just going to be for a short while. That's all. Kenny is saying USD card, USD card. Oh, sorry, Kenny. I've already talked about USD card. I've talked about USD card. But okay. Because of the market, I've said fine, I should look at USD card again. USD card. Yes, on USD card. USD card, based on the pattern we've seen, it's giving us W. We are expecting USD card to what? To sell. That's the information I gave to us. He gave us a pattern. Look at it. W, 1, 2, 3, 4. The pattern of letter W, which is what's telling us that price is going to come down as far as price follows it. But I said, remember that news is coming out on card by 130 and also on USD by 130 the same time. So there could be a reaction on USD card. But after that, it is still expected that price should fall. It's expected that price should fall based on what the pattern we are seeing on the daily time frame. Price is supposed to fall, is meant to fall. You understand? That's my opinion on USD card. It's expected to sell. USD JPY, we've talked about that too. Okay, so after this one, I'm not any other instrument that I've talked about. You drop it, I'm not going to check it again. Yes. So USD JPY. USD JPY. Remember, I told you, I said it's currently at a zone, So hold on, don't rush. Hold on, please. It's currently at a zone, USD JPY. And on 1 hour, it's more or less like it is ranging. So wait for it to break above that zone successfully. If it breaks to the upside, then you buy. If it goes to the downside, you can sell. But unless that happens, don't do anything. Unless that happens, don't do anything. Hold on. You can see on my 1 hour, I already mapped out that zone for us, you understand? So we can just hold on for it to break out. If it goes up, you buy. If it goes down, then you sell. But unless that happens, don't do anything yet. Don't do anything. That's that on USD JPY. Okay? So I believe, fine, we've come to, it's just 2 minutes more. So I'm going to use this opportunity to just appreciate everybody that has joined. I may not be able to call everybody's name, please. I may not be able to call everybody's name. Kayode Ishola, Abraham, Paul, Jakayo Peyemi, Akintunde Oluwa, Shino, Alebode Isedu. Please, if I didn't call your name, please don't be offended. I can't call everybody, understand? I can say Anthony, Kayode, Alphonsus, Ikediashi, AY, say Ayobami Sunday, Benjamin, Bello Saidat, Adebayo, you can see Bayo, Olulowo. All of you, I'm saying a very big thank you. Celestine, Usun Jis, if I'm not calling it, please, sorry. Chris Chijuki. Yes, I can also see your name, you there too. I'm greeting all of you and saying, yes, have a wonderful week ahead. Okay, Mr. Kele is saying plenty thanks. I'm also saying thank you for joining the chat too. Hope to see you next week again. Hope we'll have a wonderful time together like this on Friday next week so we can push it up, check how the market is going to go. Hadizat, Folorunsho, Amosun, Emmanuel, I can see Jacob, Oladimeji. Okay, I'm seeing this person, but what I'm seeing there is more or less like a password, HPPO. So sorry, I can't pronounce that. Folataiwo, I can see Jacob, Oladimeji, Jonathan, Judith, Jari, Kelechi, Kenny, Muide, Michael, Ame, Mika Paul, Madubuke. Okay. I think at this point, I need to say thank you. Have a lovely weekend. You understand? Have a lovely weekend. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Bye.